Hi all, welcome to DIY channel. Today my brother-in-law again bought two more items for home. That is, one is table and the other one is chair. Now what we are seeing here is the chair. This is the chair from Apex. Yeah, first let's untie these ropes so that we can remove this out. Yeah, that's done, and let's remove one by one. This is the breathable mesh which we have at the back, and the next one is it's the seat cushion and the bottom base wheels. It's steel based bottom base wheels. It's solid, looks good, and it's the handle, and the other one is height adjustable gas lift pump. That's all we have. Let's unwrap it. Yeah, handle looks good. This is as simple as that. Let's fit this gas lift pump, and that knob is the one which makes us height up or down. Yeah, this handle is a one touch handle. Yeah, along with the product we have screws which we are given, and we need to fix those screws to these adjustable parts. Yeah, now we have taken this cushion and the backrest. Yeah, it's time for us to fix some screws and make it tight. Yeah, the chair is looking beautiful first of all, and the screws are it's a modern screws where we can directly fit using hex screws. This is the best way. Why? Because instead of using cutting plier, all those things, yeah, you can see these hex screws which are easy to rotate and easy to fit. Yeah, how smooth it goes inside. Yeah, you can make a little bit tight so that it won't be loose in future. Yeah, you can use your all strength to make it tight. That's the best way you can do it. Yeah, my brother-in-law is using a lot of effort putting a lot of efforts there. It's nice to see doing all the things at home and gaining a lot of experience. For suppose tomorrow if something goes wrong, we are the one who has done it, and we will be again fixing on our own. We don't need any mechanic people again. It takes some time to fix these screws. Let's do it quickly. uh, this is heavy metal piece, and we are tightening it to the bottom seat cushion, and this is a very important place where you need to fit your screws very tight so that you will be holding it will be holding your chair very tight. And you can see that rotatable mechanism which helps you to sit stable by rotating that up or down. and you can also see the handle. uh, that's the one which touches the knob of the gas lift so that you can move your seat cushion up or down. Now the upper part is ready and the bottom part is ready. Let's fix it together. We do have a hole at the bottom of the chair. Yeah, come on, let's fix it right. Yeah, this time it goes. Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, just do a little bit press so that it's nice. Yep, it's rigid and it's solid. Yeah, it's as smooth as that. Look at it. Even it's stylish. Now we have one more package, and it's also from Amazon. uh, it's well packaged. Actually the product is Henry foldable table. Yeah, yes, it's a one single piece attached. You need not do anything. You just unwrap all the things and it will be opened. In a few seconds you will be seeing how would that be and how easy that is. Yeah, let's lift it up. Yeah, we can see the hinges there which acts as joints, and it's one single piece. And yeah, here we have some pink slip which is having a customer care number and some details about that purchase. Yeah, all covers are gone, but we are still left out with two more wraps there. Yeah, it's having a good height as of now, and this is single piece and it can fit it at any part of your room. If your room is very small, you can just use it and you can fold like this and you can put it aside. And this is final cutting. Let's cut it out. It's done. Yeah, it's nice dark brown in color. And the wood is strong and it's hard. Nice. Yeah, it's just that's it. We just need to lift it up. The upper part is lying down as of now. Yeah, just fold it out. Voila! That's it. This is the table. Look how beautiful it is, and I would definitely recommend it. And coming to its size, breadth is 18 inches, length is 29 inches, and height is 30 inches. And it's perfectly suitable for any person. And if at all, if you see here, my brother-in-law is standing, and it's having a good height as of now. Now let's bring, yeah, this is a chair which we have done before, and now it's all set. We'll start working on this table. My laptop is on and I can work on it. as of now it looks very good as of now. Even the surfaces are smooth. All the sides are laminated, both up side, bottom, sides, all sides, so it's very smooth and it doesn't hurt you at any point of time. Yeah, we do recommend it. Please do buy. Thanks. Special thanks to my family members. If you do like this video, please share, subscribe and comment.